So why don't we have a little 10-minute mill tour? Well, there's my truck and trailer. Sawmill truck full of lumber out there. Our tool trailer. Around this side there's a ramp to go into the building. Sawdust piles around here. Right there. We got some more rafters sawn right there. I found 5 more around the sawmill. These come out, we sawed these today. Native spruce, come out gorgeous. Workbench, the Detroit. The blower, you can see the pipe goes up there and then there. The carriage, we park it under the roof. What we're gonna try to do is get rafters over to this pole. On this side, it would be to that pole. And then we'll strap it and put some metal on and have that much more cover under here. Bench is in front of the door temporarily. This will get closed off and walled in. Here's the other side of the Detroit. The hydraulics, belt drive and blower, the husk, hydraulic feed valve. And this is the in-feed end. Oh, sorry, sir. I didn't see you there. There's our nice long beam. That's our in-feed beam. That's a 26-foot 10 by 12. That'll go from that post over to here. The infamous loader. The current log pile. There's some fat pine here that those will. We want a stop sign saw them, but there's in the winter with the snow on them, they don't always stop where you want them to. So there's actually quite a few logs here. You can see you got spruce for rafters, pine for boards, ash possibly for Dave's project, pine, hemlock, ash, pine. Cherry, I think. No, maybe hemlock. That one's a cherry. More big pine. Anyway, we might just have a mill pond someday. We'll see how that goes. So yeah, we'll be, before too long, we'll have some roof over this side too. We'd rather have the engine and the rest of the building closed in for now. Yeah, those come out gorgeous. And we've sawn all this stuff for sheathing for the building. There's actually a lot there. Probably most of what we need, actually. Slab wood pile at the mill cleaned up. Everything's over there, so we're gonna get 8 inches of snow tonight. Anyway, quick mill tour. Hope everybody's good. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Right, Max? Are you a good girl? Yes, you are.